Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you're also facing this problem here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open your browser and search here for support.apple.com. So guys, here you can see this, and from here select your device, and from here you have to simply scroll it below all the way, and from here you can see you can get support from the Apple team. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply tap on Start Now button, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding your Apple device. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem to the Apple team in a brief way, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.